In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock. Hit fingerprint and face unlock under screen lock over here and enter your current login method. Now hit face unlock, choose done at the bottom. Decide if you wish to enable or disable raise to wake feature by using this little icon right next to it. And finally, after you get ready, hit create now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!